Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove background from photos online. Open your favorite browser. Go to adobe.com/express. Click sign in at the top right corner of the page. You can log into Adobe Express account using any one of the following. Continue with your preferred login method. Now click the plus icon at the top left corner of the page. Under Quick Action section, click on Remove Background. Click on Browse on your device link, or you can drag and drop the image file here. Select the photos on your computer and click Open. Wait for a few seconds. That's it. Background has been removed from the photo. You can customize it further, or you can click Download to save the file on your computer. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to view it. Click on Keep Editing to add some effects to this photo. You can use the cursor at the edges to resize the photo. Click on the background to change its color. In the right sidebar, choose your favorite color. When you're happy with the changes, click Download at the top. Select your preferred file type and click Start Download. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to view it. Click on the background again. This time, click on Choose Image in the right sidebar. Now click on Backgrounds in the left sidebar. Select a suitable background. When you are happy with the changes, click Download at the top. This is how you can remove background from photos online. Thank you for watching.